Hello traders, this is the part 3 of preparation for day trading. We know that as a forex trader, we enter the market after London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern time, 3 a.m. Eastern time, not at 5 a.m. Eastern time. The London open at 3 a.m. Apologies, that's 3 a.m. Eastern time. London is opening, and the New York is opening at 9:30 a.m. In this third part of the video for preparation for day trading, I will talk about Monday. Monday is the first day of the week, and the market are trying to reassess what's happened last week and trying to see which direction will go. So on Monday, it's a very difficult sometimes to trade on Monday. And if you are not careful on Monday, you lose money because there is a lot of adjustment being going on Monday when the market trying to redefine its direction for the new week that is starting. So you need to remember that and know that Monday you need to trade very carefully, don't be too greedy, in out fast, and also you have to be very focused on your trade on Monday, otherwise you lose money. Because what I noticed, that's my own observation, the best time to trade on Monday is not to trade the London session, just you wait till on Monday, because it's the first day of the week. You wait till New York open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. This is for forex trader, same for the stock market traders. So on Monday, I try to trade after 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, because the market is trying to define itself. And sometimes London will open. It's like London market is waiting for New York to open, and then they decide which direction the market will go. All the news is coming out, or the last week news. They will reassess everything and see which direction the market should go, because the institutional traders don't make their decision on Monday just like this. This is a very important day to know. First, they will check the news coming out this week, the important news. Some of the time, the week, you know straight away on Monday what's going to happen, because sometimes the week they know that there's important news coming out, like Bank of England going to speak, Jean-Claude Trichet is going to speak, or especially the first week of the month also. So the first day of the week, very important. Be very careful when you are trading the first day of the week, Monday. Do not trade Sunday night. Do not trade Sunday night, please. If you want to trade Sunday night, use scalping method. Scalp quickly, out, in, out, in, out, in. If you lose twice in a row on Sunday night, stop, go to bed, come back the next day, Do not just trade anyhow, anytime, So now I'm talking about the first day of the week, Monday. Very important. Pay attention to it. I trade after New York opens for forex trading, and then you pay attention because of what's going to happen during that week. Also, the first day of the month. The first day of the month also is very important. First day of the month. Yeah, the first of the month. The first of the month is a very key day. So you also trade carefully that day also, because there's a lot of adjustment being made that day, and you can see the most beautiful trading signal only to lose money, because the professional trader will make the decision regarding the news and what's going to happen that month. Which month is it? What's going to happen? Is it December? Is it Christmas time? What's going to happen? Holidays, all this. They take all this into consideration, and they start trading according to that on the first day of the month. Now, also, the second thing I want to talk about in this part 3 is also the the first the first week of the month. The first week of the month is usually up and down, up and down, up and down, till that week also is completed. Because what the professional traders are doing, because the week is finished now, they will say, okay, this is the high of the week, this is the low of the week. They'll mark those levels down on their chart. Yeah, the high of the week is marked on the chart. They will mark it clearly and say, okay, this is the high of the week, okay, and they will say, oh, this is the low of the week, and then they will say high plus low. They will divide it by 2, and they will have the median line here in the middle here. So if the market is trading above the median line, which is the high plus 2 divided by 2, they will know that it's bullish. If the week start Below the median line, they will have a bearish tendency. Bear that in mind. High plus low divided by 2 is the median line of the week, and you watch the market. Is it the market trading above the median line of the week, or is it trading below it? If it's trading below the median line, you pay attention carefully and try to look for bearish signal to sell. So they will do that. Same thing they will do also for the month. For the month, they will say, okay, this is the high of the month. They will mark it down nicely. You see the professional, they respect the market, and they will put also the low of the month there. Here also they say, okay, this is the low of the month, and they will say high plus low divided by 2, and they will put the median line also here. But they will also put down the close of the month. Where did the month close? If the month closed below the median line, they will have a bearish tendency. If the month closed above the median line, they will try to be more bullish. But it's nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is like A plus B equals C. No, nothing is like that. Everything is like moving, changing all the time, according to the news, according to the technical information that we have, according to the year, according to the political and all the rest. So it's just moving and changing all the time. That's why when you are in the market, pay attention and respect the price, what the price is telling you. Don't just think because somebody in Bloomberg say that, okay, the consumer confidence is going to be very, very bearish. That's it. And you go and sell. No, 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 no. They may be wrong. They may be wrong. They may be wrong. And they are wrong few times though. So pay very attention to that. So you learn something today about Monday, the first day of the week, and also the first week of the month, you know. Same thing also for the year, January. They do it. They respect. They check what's happened last year. They reassess the new year beginning. And so January is a very difficult also, very difficult month also to trade, you know, and a lot of changes. That's where everything is defined. After, you know, usually by Wednesday for the week, we know that where the market is going. So usually Thursday is a nice day to trade also, very nice day to trade on Thursday because everybody know now where the market is going. Same thing, the third month of the year, people know where the market is going, whether the year is going to be bullish or bearish. They know most of the time by the end of March, they know. So if you are swing trader, the best time to check for your signal is after the end of March or mid-March. This time, you start looking carefully where the market is heading for the year, and then you make your decision according to that. So I hope this information is very important for you. As I say, the median line is the high plus low divided by 2. This is the dividing point for the bear. The bear, yes, stay on below the median line, and the bull stay on top. So you draw those lines, or if you don't want to draw them, now just go to your thing and look for the word part. You see, yeah, word part, the Microsoft word part, and then you will write this down. Like here, you write it down. This is the high of the week, this is the low of the week, and then you pay attention to that, and then you do your things as you want to do it, whether you want to be bearish or not, and then you pay attention to that. You see, so till next time. Respect the beginning of the week and respect the beginning of the month and respect the beginning of the year. These are key moments. And Monday, you are trading, be very careful. Or go and do something and do fishing or whatever you want to do. Or play soccer or whatever you want to do, do it. And be happy, you know. As usual, life is not about trading only. There are many, many things you can do in life. Till next time, enjoy yourself and be happy.